It takes 1 year to induce 4,000 observe hours, 240,000 minutes, on the off chance that you keep up 20,000 minutes of observe time per month. Your observe time is separated over your entire YouTube channel. So you'll accomplish 4,000 observe hours with a couple of awesome long videos. To total observe time hours on a YouTube channel, center on making nail, center on making longer, locks in recordings, advancing your substance successfully, and optimizing your channel for observe time. This incorporates utilizing playlists, live streams, and conclusion screens to energize watchers to observe more substance. Here's a more point-by-point breakdown. 1. Make locks in content. Longer recordings. YouTube favors longer recordings as they contribute more to observe time. High-quality substance. Center on making important, instructive, or engaging recordings that keep watchers observing. Evergreen substance. Make substance that remains important and watchable over time. Engaging intros. Snare watchers from the start with compelling presentations. Strong calls to action. Encourage watchers to observe more recordings, subscribe, or lock in together with your substance. Live streams. Lock in along with your gathering of people in real time and empower them to remain for the length of the stream. 2. Optimize your channel. Video optimization. Utilize significant watchwords in your titles, portrayals, and labels to form your recordings simpler to discover. Compelling thumbnails. Make eye-catching thumbnails that allure watchers to press. Playlists. Organize your recordings into playlists to energize watchers to observe numerous recordings in a push. End screens and cards. Utilize conclusion screens and cards to advance other recordings and energize watchers to observe more. Channel branding. Guarantee your channel is well-branded and simple to explore. Advance your content. Social media advancement. Share your recordings on other social media stages to reach a more extensive group of onlookers. Collaborations. Accomplice with other YouTubers to cross-promote your substance. Community engagement. React to comments, inquire questions, and energize interaction. Utilize YouTube analytics. Track your advance, screen your observe time, group of onlookers maintenance, and other measurements to see what's working and what's not. Adjust your technique. Utilize your analytics to refine your substance and advancement methodologies. By executing these procedures, you'll altogether increment your YouTube observe time and work towards your monetization objectives. If your shorts are viewed from your channel page, a search result, or embedded in a playlist, these views do count toward your public watch hours. Keep in mind that any public watch hours from shorts views in the shorts feed won't count towards the 4,000 public watch hours threshold. Now, with just 500 subscribers, 3,000 watch time hours or 3 million YouTube Shorts views, along with 3 public videos uploaded to the platform in the last 90 days, creators can access fan funding features such as Super Chat, Super Stickers, Super Chat, and channel memberships.